Hello everyone. Today is 1 February and my video topic is video non-technical. It is the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is initiated in 2 October 2014 of the birth 125 birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. महात्मा गांधी जी. स्वच्छ भारत अभियान it is a very useful for it is nowadays. And about Swachhata, Gandhi ji said that nation to develop a nation not only growth by economical but also this Swachhata our environment is directly affect on our growth, is directly affect on our growth. That's why to develop the nation, it is also focused onto the Swachhata and cleanliness. It is directly effect to the human beings and also life cycles of the human beings. And also Gandhiji said that to clean our environment, it is directly affect on our physicals, directly effect on physical, not outer. They will also effect on our body to clean the environment outside. Also they are Swachhata also clean our souls and are directly connected to the mind and spirituality. This is our various thought explained by Mahatma Gandhi ji, and that's why they initiated on the 125 birth anniversary. They started the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan are various program can be executed, and nowadays first one is to increase the awareness. Nowadays to increase the awareness of the Swachhata, and that's why the various program will be initiated to various program called to Swachhata marathons also initiated in Mumbai. To marathon name is Swachhata Marathon, and also various movie are focused to Swachhata, and they also provide awareness to our Swachhata. And when people are aware about the Swachhata and also people are aware about Swachhata, and they also are why directly affect on our body, and that's why the awareness are provided and second program will be executed to establish or to develop the toilets in a rural area. In a rural area, many toilet will be developed. That's why the cleanliness are from in small villages, and they also in a very big family, economically backward family. They also program will be initiated by the government to establish the home toilet in our big families. They are also directly affected on our villages. And also awareness various program executed in a school. In a school, the various type of program executed, like to clean the school and the importance of the cleanliness. They thought share to the student, and also student one day in a week, the one day will be selected, and that day they clean our school, and that's why the child with the importance of the cleanliness, and that's why they are not importance of the cleanliness, and that's why they are not throw any plastic or any waste material to the school, because to that student also clean the school. This program will be initiated in before in Japan. That's why this to see that Japan is a very clean country, because they every student know about the cleanliness. That's why this is a very important thing. Our program will executed in our nation. Our cleanliness are directly depend directly cleanliness are directly affecting our environment, and to develop the nation. The first one is focus, not only focus on the economics, they also focus to the cleanliness, because every when to see the clean environment to our country, everyone we happily are living, and also impressed foreign will be impressed by to see the cleanliness in our nation. And third, another project will be executed is to various program to in TV show to develop the awareness of Swachhata. In that program, they tell that how cleanliness are directly affecting our environment, and also our psychology, and also human beings, and also they are cleanliness are very useful to our other living, not only are directly affected to the humans, but they are also affected to the other living organism and also plants. That another project, day by day the program will be executed fastly. That's why and also the ranking system also provided to the country, and every year to ranking schedule will be executed. That's why many city to initiated to grow our ranking of the cleanliness ranking to our city. This is also is effective to the cleanliness, and these are the various type of the project will be executed, and that project are affected that effect to see the how the clean the city. These are the various aspect of the cleanliness, and it is important to our environment. Cleanliness is very important to our environment, and also our health. The environment will be clean to health also good, and these are the various program and how they are initiated by the government. This is the best program to executed by the India. And another point is they are everyone are not focused by the government how they are initiated, but also our responsibility to clean the city, to not throw any plastic or any plastic to the outside the road and any other outside the home, because not responsibility of government, but also people responsibility to clean our city and clean our city or villages. These are the all about the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and this is good for our country to develop the country, and also thank you.